Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking essentials. Make sure the SIM tray is inserted correctly and battery is above 20% so the phone can scan networks reliably. Once done, flip airplane mode on for about 10 seconds then off. This forces a fresh network search. If signal's still flaky, perform a soft restart. Power off, wait 10 seconds, then power on. These quick resets clear temporary radio glitches and force the modem to renegotiate with the carrier, often resolving common drops. You now dive into network configuration to ensure the phone prefers the right bands. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, then your SIM. Make sure preferred network type is 5G/4G auto so the device can switch for best coverage. Locking to 3G can cause loss. If you've recently changed APN or carrier, reset network settings to restore defaults. This clears corrupt APNs and VPN profiles. After resetting, restart once more so the modem reinitializes with clean settings and picks optimal towers. Finish by making sure your Moto G35 has the latest system and carrier updates. These often include radio firmware fixes, so update now and reboot. Next, test with a different SIM or enable Wi-Fi calling to determine if the issue is the phone or the carrier. If an alternate SIM works, the carrier must provision your line. If nothing helps, contact your carrier with logs and test times. Meanwhile, factory reset as last resort because it removes any lingering software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.